The weirdest place that I've ever been to was a pond. It was not too different from this one. It had still water and there were little critters skittering across the surface. It was maybe 10 or 20 times larger. And I should also mention that it was 1,400 meters below the ocean surface. These underwater pools are called brine pools. They happen when fresh water bubbles up below the ocean floor through salt pillars. And it creates this hypersaline, very salty water that doesn't mix with the ocean around it. The brine pool that I visited was at the bottom of the Gulf of Mexico. And I saw it in an 8-foot titanium sphere that is the center of the submersible Alvin. It's the same submersible that was used to discover the Titanic. So there I was in this little sphere with two other people looking out a tiny porthole and never get over just how weird it was. My brain knows that I'm not actually looking on, but the illusion is perfect. I can see a reflection off the water. Everything in my brain is telling me that this is just like a normal pond. But of course, there's nothing normal about it. We were there because this ecosystem is so special. These animals that live around it are perfectly adapted to living a life around a pool of water that is so salty that it can instantly kill anything that ends up actually in the salt water. So weird was the whole point of this expedition. We were there to take samples of some of these mussels and shrimp and other animals that live around the brine pool to help understand just exactly how do they survive in such a difficult place, but also to understand how the larvae of those animals found the brine pool in the first place. It's all a great reminder of how little we actually know about this planet that we live on. We know less about the bottom of the ocean than we know about the surface of the moon.